Hello YouTube, Nathan Dewey here doing another demo. This one is going out to Jersey Devil member Silkworm. Weight on this is 5 ounces. Features are all titanium handle with the layered channel construction. Recessed T-latch with dome feature. T6 hardware throughout with the 7/64 pivot pins. Double tang pin. Dual kicker for the close position. Long, flat, flip point blade. Basically what this client wanted was a titanium version of a Valor butterfly knife. So the goal was to make it long, narrow, and rounded. Do some quick measuring. Open length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.5 open. You have a 4 3/8 inch blade, and the cutting edge 3 7/8. Close position 5 1/4. Now what's interesting about this knife is the dual kicker design. It's something I haven't done a video on yet. Basically, a dual kicker means that you have more than one lock face. As you can see, it has tang pins, but as you'll look on the blade right here, it has a prominent kicker so that the edge will not contact the channel. In other words, when you lock it in the closed position, you have the tension of the tang pin and the tension of the kicker. And the goal of this is to prolong the wear of the knife. Give a little squeeze, open up. Just a tang pin on this side. Look at that tip. Did the very light chamfering on this side so the spine would not become an issue. If you have seen my last update video, and if you pay attention to Northit's channel and you look into Blade HQ in my designer section, you'll notice that I am leaning more and more towards this type of concept of, layered channel, titanium, no washers, no bushings, but still have the tolerances tight enough to have a very minimalized amount of play. And the goal is basically to have something that will, hold up to the current standard of flipping, to have something that's very durable, very few pieces, very few possibility for failure, easy to take apart, easy to maintain, and something that is overall just durable enough it'll last. So that's my goal right now. It's just to make a really nice belly song that may not be the most cosmetically great, but something that'll last and it'll be functional and still be very much worth the price point. As you can tell, I have been using these pre-cut USA knife maker parts. It is a kit form type of thing, but it's not like you're taking a Typhoon and just piecing it together and standing the handle and putting a finish on it. It's much more involved. I use these parts because they're reasonably serviceable. You just tap and drill your own holes. They give you an oversized blade length, so you just cut it down and shape it the way you want. And titanium is expensive, it's hard to work with, and this allows me to not only obtain titanium parts, but also put something together that is still economical and put it at the price that I want. So yeah, I'm very enthusiastic about this design. I'm certain when Silkworm gets this, he'll probably show some comparison pictures or something like that. So if you're on the JD, look out for this piece. Thanks for looking. Take care.